Ki Pulit kajalla hakasi thodi yang jakatayo kilalik Khynra kawe ka farmhouse ya kabla tip kerteng kum karimpu began farmhouse kabadon ha Edenbury Garo Hills district barkane ka farmhouse kade jong vice president ka BJP baru MDC katura u Bernard and Marak habai kren mikla pathai khubor hadian ka Khynra u DGP kajalla miklaya u LR Bishnoy ulai thu banakane ka farmhouse la yo ban kem nyo pulai ngot ki khna samla nakaba apun reungot Kidai Kynthei, but South Ngut Kidai Shyrang. La yoru ban pelaj ya sanwat ki Khynra ki bla sha set haki kamra. Yakani ka Khynra la le ki Pulit halor ka jingtip ba yakani ka farmhouse la penan kam na ka benta ki kam bian la ne ki kam jaklia.
So yesterday raid started at about 6 p.m. It continued for 7-8 hours and they have recovered some incriminating documents, register, etc. The Tura police has picked up 73 youth. Out of that, 26 are female and rest male. They have also rescued 5 number of children. The children were locked in a room and from outside the lock was broken and after that one after another 5 children were rescued and out of 5 one was female. And in subsequent search they have seized nearly 37 vehicles and 47 mobile phones, 30,000 rupees cash and 500 packets of condom and contraceptive tablets and few other incriminating documents. The search, when I last spoken with SP Tura, the search was still going on. The case has been registered already at Tura Women Police Station under section 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 of the Immoral Trafficking Act 1956. The owner of that resort, Mr. Bernard R. Marak, he is not found available at his residence or in Shillong. We got the information that he was in Shillong. When the police went there, he was not found there. So now the last location was in somewhere near Guwahati, and after that the mobile phone is switched off. So the investigation is continuing now.
Sir, the accused is saying that this was pre-planned and Meghalaya police is being used by some high and mighty, sir.
No, nothing like it. Meghalaya police will go strictly as per law. And the recovery itself indicate that something fishy was there. He has no license to run that. And then why the liquors was also recovered? More than 400 bottle liquors were recovered. He has no license for that. And 500 condoms packets were recovered. This indicates that it was run as a brothel and the police will take action as per law.
Bernard Marak stated that the police has raided a farmhouse. Is it true that he said that there is no warrant without...
Warrant is not required because this was in continuation with the POXO Act where one the girl has lodged complaint to Tura PS that she was taken to that place. That Rimpo's farmhouse or whatever they locally call it. It is Edenbury area in the outskirts of Tura. And there she was sexually assaulted. And after that, POXO Act case was registered at Tura Women Police Station. And during investigation and follow-up action of that case, it was later revealed that this place was used as a brothel. So that is why not many 73 youth were detained there and many of them were in compromising position.
Nakaliang Bernard and Marak utrai jagari ka farmhouse ula panchai bakane baro ka tang ka jing pharap namar bo nong yalam ki NPP ubadeiru menteri rang ba ka jala ula yoi ba ka seng BJP kalas dang ban kiu ha ka jala.
All the allegations and accusations against me is totally wrong. It is well planned conspiracy to malign my image and to create a fear psychosis among the public and to the supporters of BJP. Since the BJP is growing and becoming strengthened every day, our coalition partner, mostly the NPP and its chief Conrad Sama, has actually conspired against BJP by targeting me because I have won from his seat in the heart of Garo Hills, in the hill town, where tribals, Christians, non-Christians, everyone has actually voted for BJP, and now BJP is accepted as the next political party for the state of Meghalaya. And this has created fears, insecurity among other political leaders, and especially to Conrad Sama, who has directed the police to file a case against me and to gun me down. I'm told that I'm a target and the special order has come from the top to gun me down. So when I was in Shillong to attend the state executive meeting, I was asked to go to Shillong Thana, and as I was coming out to go to Shillong Thana, I saw 2 bolero and 1 gypsy, police gypsy, coming towards where I was, and I had to move out because it was Mukesh Singh. Mukesh Singh is the IGP of Law and Order in Shillong, and he's looking after the Garo Hills also. And I was very apprehensive because I had the information that they are trying to implicate me and if possible to gun me down. And I was surprised to see them immediately outside where I was taking rest. Then I had to move out of Shillong and I have to come to Guwahati. And I'm not absconding, I'm not evading arrest, but I'm just trying to be safe and to bring out the truth to the public, because they are highlighting the negative side of the story by the Hub News, which is sponsored by NPP. Hub News is sponsored by NPP, and they are trying to bring a bad name to me as well as to the party, because party is growing in Meghalaya and party is growing in Garo Hills particularly, and we are hopeful of winning more seats in Garo Hills, and it has become a threat to them, and that's why the entire drama. And they have accused me of running a brothel, a prostitution, which is totally false.